somewhere else, especially to the resort. So meet my friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. She's new, guys. She's new here. So we're gonna explore very beautiful place. I'm gonna show you more inside. So just for now, we'll see the front view. Yeah. Excited, Daddy?
Kalau excited pala nato belum pesen patay.
Dari ada kamang yang siya Shopee pa? Excited, guys. Excited. Okay, fine. Ship ginang pwede updates kam ship hang. Sabi kita kaya ayun dia. Tingnan ko yung sa Amerika. Details mo. Bye. Thanks, Lipke. We are here at this resort. As you can see, it's so beautiful. And first of all, hi, the weather. Again, it's so hot. You're gonna see it there, see?
Because I am here, right? That's why.
She claimed that she's the hotness. She's the reason. Tube done? Oh yes.
Oh, ganyan.
Yes, ngaling I'm done cute.
But can you skirt na?
Skirt.
Oh.
I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Look at it. It's so beautiful.
Sanay na rin.
Which day? Na.
How are you?
Plan something. Wanna see? Right. Guys, my leg hurts, but it's worth it. You know why? Because of this beautiful scenery scene. Here, guys.
It's so amazing.
Look at it. Oh my god. Guys. Speechless. I'm just gonna turn it back to you. Finally, we are here in the destination. I'll just show you a short glimpse of this view. Then we'll go more for the exploring inside it. For the water, you can see. I don't know how to flip this camera, but yeah, the view. I can't bear into this hotness of this sun. What if I get sunburned? It's worth it, right? Sun here. I can't even. Yeah. I can't just flip it back. Where? Yeah, this one here. Chanchi, come. Do you have any comment in this place?
I'm new out here, so I don't know how about the place.
Okay, not just you, even me. It's new for, I think, for all of us, right?
Yeah.
So, what do you find like? Is there any interesting thing about this place?
It's very peaceful. It's good.
You find it's worth it?
Yeah.
You like it?
It's fine. I like it.
So
50-50.
Okay, that's her thought. So guys, we're gonna know more from each and every person. As for now, I'll just pause it so that I'll get any clear.
I want to jump in water too.
Let's go now then.
No, my.
Wait, oh, you're waiting for them, no? Yeah, Chunky? Come here, my boy. He's feeling shy, I guess. Dada? What are you doing?
Wait.
Okay, this guy is capturing the photo. We have not done it yet. Let me just ask Dada.
Sini bani.
Okay, cooking गर्छ कि हजुर? अहिले cooking गर्ने? What will cook? What is this? We have this, guys. We have this. Look at it.
Honey, wow.
And Dada gonna make it.
Hi.
This girl is sexy girl. Okay, look at it, guys. We have this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packets. The cooking process is going on. And I'm here. Right back. Okay, guys, what I'm doing, huh? My face coming red as usual. It's me too. Let me just.
Nice.
Okay. Dari? Dan menang eh?
Ang ating kabas, lahat na tasing harang na excited na naman nan. 你这个他们要贴书不是没了，那这个那个那个只能贴来不及，在这个那个那个no，那是kayak gini country home.
Yeah. Kabas
Bahay
jaka.
ha, the best
Kabas
platform.
jaka.
Sayawan, pinsa, yung naladi kamaladi.
Yeah, no. Experience it by your own self because binge pet and then you will say it's not correct. Okay? So we're gonna have a photo shoot, but for the let's go that way. We'll see the flowers. What are you doing? You're plucking the flowers, bro. It's not right. I'll do half every day. You're plucking the flowers. I'm sure the owner gonna be mad. No camera. We'll keep chori kiya.
Just look aesthetic.
Just for the girl plucking the flowers. Oh my god, look at it, look at it. Chunchi, see, I will not put this evidence, okay?
No, that's
It's gonna be a problem later. Shit. Oh, okay then. If there's some people using it, then why me also I should include in it. Yeah.
Thank you.
That
Em yang harus kaya apa ni Fatna? Flowers.
flowers, Sigma A.
She told me like I said this one, but I have the shoe.
She plucked the flower. We have changed our outfit for the swimming. There goes sexy girl. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's done. Now it's our turn. Here you can see our black outfit.
Sorry, just help me to pull this up.
Fifi.
It's free size.
Okay. Now we'll go to the pool. Oh my god, it's a video again. Instead of photo, I'm clicking a video. Never mind. Daddy, why are you doing video? I'm scared. Slowly, please. You need to phone.
We are not iPhone user now. Alisa, we are not iPhone user now. We scared of water now. That's why. That's what I'm saying. I don't.
Oh my goodness, jangan panik ya. Jangan jangan.
Ay, yun ang pinaisip po din na
I'm falling. Hey, Pingmo, jangan panik lah. I may feel panic.
I'm not been just a little bit.
No, I may feel panic. Daddy, what are you doing video ni? मुझे डर लग रहा है. Hi guys, I know it's not that clear because of the water. So now we are in the middle of the pool. As you can see, those two guys and stuck there. Up. Ngan sina yung up. Ngan lawan ke. Yes. In the middle of the water. I'm so bad at swimming. In fact, I don't even know. Hi guys.
Hi. iPhone nggak ada key bawa
It's because of the tempered glass. So look at them. Hey, want to say something? Oh, what? Hey, look at that girl. I'm floating there, guys. I can't go deeper because it's gonna create trouble for me. So I'll end this pool video here. With that, now I have to go and click photos. Now I'll just show you them. Those are the cook. What? Yeah. Preparing meal for us. So now it's done for me to click our photos. See, this is our third. This is my third outfit of the day. Ignore my earrings, whatever. So I'm here up above the pool down there. I want to go there for the photo shoot. Kana? It's a restaurant or?
Yes, restaurant.
I don't think so. We'll go there more. Ni Shang Tang take that swing or what? More.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go and capture some photos for the moment. Dari, excited. Ni you don't claim.
Này, này, rồi.
Would there be a leech?
Này, nanti om lihat later.
Nearly without
Này,
slipper.
này, jangan yang sentuh.
Okay, fine.
Kambelar dah.
Ari, it's a video. Say hi, cheese. Hi. Including me. Okay. Actually, Daddy, Shindak tissue.